Okay, we're recording.
I'm a giraffe. Or camel.
A giraffe or a camel?
It's tall.
What am I?
Oh, what are you having? Snake?
It's a bunny.
Bunny? Hey, look at the butt teeth. Good job.
Yep.
Turn your arm around.
Do a dog, dude.
Yeah, like that. Do a bulldog. Yeah, do a bulldog.
Like a kangaroo.
Yeah, sound effects.
Do kangaroos bark? Hold on, put your fingers all together and straight out.
All together and straight
All
out.
together. Put your thumb up. And move your pinky like a mouth. It's supposed
Make
to be
it
a
straight.
dog.
I can't.
Look.
Wait. I can't do it. Yeah,
My
I
pinky
do
don't
it.
move as a mouth. Look, it just don't.
Now take your other hand and hold your fingers out above it while you're making the dog head, and it looks like a deer. Gavin, make a deer.
Do what?
Make a deer. Do like you were doing the dog.
And?
Put
Like
your
a
hand up
deer.
and do like you're doing the dog. Alright, now take your pointy finger and bend it in halfway.
Your what finger?
And straighten your hand out.
Look, I'm a bird.
Alright, now put your other hand over the ear like fanned open.
Huh?
This hand like
Your
this.
other hand. You bend your finger in.
Put it on top.
Put it on
of the
top.
head.
Make it look like antlers.
Yeah.
Open your fingers.
No, I'm not
Like
gonna do it.
this?
Well, that's like a bird.
That's not a deer. That's a bird. Oh, good bird.
Samantha, come here and hold this.
What, is that a swan?
Yep.
Okay.
How is it?
We're switching, what do you call myself? A director? A filmer? I don't know what you call me. I'm not very good at it.
Stop moving.
Okay, here. Oh, okay.
Ellis. I was serious.
Where's the sound effects?
I have no sound effects.
It's delayed.
That's Chinese stuff.
I know, when they go ba 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 ba.
What is that?
Godzilla. Dun, 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 dun.
There we go.
We need a fight. We need a fight scene.
Who is that?
It looks like a chicken.
A
That's a chicken.
Which one's
That is
chicken?
not a chicken.
What is that?
Hold on, hold on. I don't have the slightest clue. It's a dog with
Spider
5 legs.
legs.
Wait a minute.
Ew, that's scary. It's alien.
Do you know what this is?
No.
It's a dead one of these.
Gavin,
You know what this is?
fight Fred.
Wait, you know what this is?
Fight Fred.
What you know what shadow
Samantha.
puppets? What?
Do you, hold that up here. You know what this is? It's a whole flock of those.
No. There's a bunny.
This is my bird, if you can't see it. I can't do it.
Is the video over?